Well, in this video, I would love to talk about farm structuring in line with piggery, which is one of the core aspects for successful pig farming. So you find that when you want to start a farm, you'll have to think about structures. Structures come into the pictures, and you want to see how best you can allocate the money into the structures you're supposed to construct for the farm. So ideally, this comes from proper planning. So you wouldn't love that structures being the first investment cost that is supposed to incur in production shouldn't actually affect the production costs, other production costs like feeding, uh, management, which are also key, then genetics. So you find that you have to plan so well when you're coming into construction. And you also want to utilize your resources, your land effectively. So that means you can't do away with planning. The size of the farm you're supposed to establish at a specific size of land, you need to plan effectively. That's why we come up with structural designs, structural plans, where you can actually pick and you decide what to use and how to construct your farm. So these structural plans can help you guide you on the biosecurity measures. Of course, the structures are beneficial because you are supposed to shelter the animals and also prevent intruders from accessing your farm. So you'll have to house the workers, you'll have to house the pigs, and also establish a proper biosecurity plan when you're planning for bigger structures. So in case you need one, you can actually inbox me and we make one for you. You can have a structural design that you can easily implement at your location. Thank you. Please follow me for more farming tips about farming, and we move gratefully.